So today I'm about to make brownies. This is my egg. Of course, I'm going to use just two. I'm going to use butter, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, sugar, and I will add a little bit of salt, just a pinch, and then this is the flour I'm going to use, and then a little bit of oil, maybe, I don't know. Let's watch. Guys, this is what my already beaten butter and sugar and salt looks like. I'm about to add in the cocoa. I'm supposed to be adding and mixing at the same time, but because I want to show you when I'm adding, that's why I'm here. Bye. See you again. Up next is my vanilla extract and eggs. This is my beaten butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla. So we'll go on and add the powder just a bit. So I'm just going to shift it in to be sure there are no indents and all. Then I'll take it to the oven. My oven is already preheated. So ready to go into the oven. Wish me luck, this is my first time, I didn't tell you. So this is the final look of my brownies. Does it look nice? I hope it's all done.